JDZG has given up to or more than 50% of the gains it ran up on Friday the 13th. In that session, it printed the highs of around $4. Other stocks in the deep include AIOS, LIMN, NAII, SMJF, FGL, JTAI, and MOBX. JDZG, as you can see, down 54.33%. Volume so far 2.15 million shares. 50-day average is around 2.67. It's gradually getting to that volume. Had to borrow stock, had to borrow 270%. Would it, is it such that short sellers will be concerned or will be worried or will be troubled? We can't exactly say. $4, 404. When did that print? Was that Friday? Yeah, no, it was on the 9th. As a matter of fact, 9th of February, that was when it printed this high. Okay. So yes, it doesn't have any extrapolations yet. Underlying trend is severely bearish. Given the expansion it had Friday, we still have that market grid still printed there. So it is currently trading at 1.74. As a matter of fact, it has dropped way outside of that grid. So let's see whether we have anything on the 1 hour chart. Lower prices are expected up till tomorrow. Tomorrow's pre-market session. There is indication here that it might bounce and probably retest the highs of around 2.16. No guarantee that that will be the case. No guarantee at all. But for now, lower prices are still possible. The lows of around 0.74 is something that can happen. It is currently at 1.74. Doesn't have strong support base. Okay, 1.74, 1.65 is support. 1.65 is not a fantastic support, but around 1.4, there is a good support there. Very good support, very, very good support, around $1.4. AIOS is newly minted. Okay, newly minted when this started trading on the 9th of February, reached the highs of 1.45 and they just can't let it be. I think it has its okay. I can't conclude based on what I'm looking at right now. Okay, it has extrapolations. Maybe it's something happened. Something happened. Maybe migration from somewhere. The daily chart is scanty, whereas the 4 hour chart has a lot of data. Lower prices are expected to continue to print up till Thursday, the close of Thursday's trading session. Then after that, we might see a bounce, but the 40-day moving average is expected to serve as a staunch resistance. So it may serve as a primary supply line by Wednesday, the 25th. But if anything, lower prices are expected in the very short term, very, very short term. And let's see now, the market grid is indicating that the lows of around zero point 0.3 might happen, might print. It's currently at zero point 0.5 right now, 0.005. So it doesn't look like it has a lot of support. But it doesn't look like it has a lot of support. So low prices still very much possible, but a bounce is expected from maybe Thursday, possibly post market session of Thursday, but you can't rely on that at all. LIMN is down 37.63%. Volume is 6.82 million shares. The company disclosed the pricing of a $4 million best efforts public offering of 13.8 million shares or pre-funded warrants and 20.7 million warrants at $0.29 per share. That is what is probably behind this weakness we are looking at right now. The stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. Yeah, it's 200-day moving average, this one, which underscores the underlying trend is sloping bearishly low. So lower prices, okay, let's see. The algos are suggesting that, let's see what we have. It's indicating here that it might, okay, lower prices are expected up till tomorrow. Tomorrow's the close of tomorrow's trading session. Then after that, we might see a bounce, but the bounce may be rejected by Monday, the 23rd. No guarantee that that will be the case. Let's see what the market grid is indicating. Okay, the range is between 0.6638 and 0.0882. So 0.000 lower prices as low as 0.0882 is very much possible. The stock is at 0.2350 right now. Yeah, so it has it doesn't have a robust support. Not really. This is not that robust. Yeah, you want to see a cluster of numbers. So we don't have anything like that here for the stock. So lower prices, something that can happen. Something that can happen. NAII down 26.36%. Lower prices are expected up till 19th, Thursday the 19th. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a consolidation towards the 13th of March. And then maybe after that, it might bounce again. It might attempt to bounce to surpass its declining 40-day moving average that is attempting to ensure it doesn't expand any further, doesn't print any meaningful expansion. Projections here are saying 3.92 is a pivotal projection. And market grid the stock is at a huge discount to its market grid for now. For now, yeah, it's at a huge discount to the market grid. So the company's Q2 earnings loss and disclosed debt covenant and debt covenant non-compliance sparked market this sell-off. Yes, so debt covenant non-compliance and the Q2 earnings are behind this weakness we are looking at right now for LIMN. Sorry, for NAII. SMJF down 28.09%. Let's see. No, is still this data is, I mean, the daily chart here is scanty. Let's see what we have. Projections are saying $4.2. Okay, no guarantee it's going to print that. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Quite scanty as well. Here the projections are saying, let's see, 5.1. No, not no projection there. Let me just confirm what I saw. Yeah, we have a projection here. It's saying $4.2. Yeah, $4.2. This one, pivotal projection. Previous one, not in play, 4.49, 4.41, 4.77. Okay. FGL down 24.56%. The stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. No extrapolations yet. Let's see what we have. Market grid between 27.46 and 8.54. That's a wide range. It's currently at $13.58 now. So this is where it is in the support zones. No, it doesn't look like it has a decent amount of support. Doesn't look like it does. It doesn't look so. Yeah, okay, yeah, 13, yeah, 13.24 is a support, but there isn't any other reiteration of that price. There isn't. Okay, well, yeah, we have, yeah, it has a good support. You can see here we have 13.34. So yeah, so it's at 13.5 now. So there's 13.34, 13.27. Would it get a bounce from this level? Are we looking at a brief bottom coming up, setting up? Ahead, there's 14.52. There's, yeah, there's $14, 14.52 as well. So it's stuck between the support that might prove that might lead to a bounce, but ahead as well has a reasonable resistance. So what could possibly happen? Or there's even more, 13.87, just above where it is right now. So I think, well, if this, well, the support there may prove to be a good bounce for it to breach the huge resistance it has ahead of it. JTAI, let's see, it's down 28.12%. Stock equally showing up a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend, is sloping bearishly lower. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Thursday the 19th. After that, we're looking at the prospects of a consolidation towards the 3rd of March. I mean, all in all, it's just saying that if it does attempt to bounce, as this extrapolation is indicating, it might get a rejection by Wednesday, the 25th of February. Then after that, we are looking at the prospects of the downtrend resuming, but further down towards late March, it's indicating that they might attempt to resume or rather pick up a bounce, but we don't exactly know whether it's going to defy this declining 200-day moving average, which is which is declining to ensure that no meaningful expansion occurs. But we'll see. That's that this is an extrapolation that is pointing to so many days ahead. There's no guarantee that it would even print lower prices tomorrow the 18th. Okay. MOBX equally showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Friday the 20th. From the 23rd, there is an indication that it might bounce and may hold a bounce towards the 25th of February. You can rely on that as well. So all in all, it's just saying that it's going to be a volatile. It's expected to remain volatile up till the 26th of March. Yeah. Here, projections are saying, let's see, 0.1130, 0.0274, and negative 0.0256. Obviously, stocks don't trade in negatives, so that's an indication that lower prices are still very much possible. Market greed is between 0.2144 and 0.1736, and it's currently at 0.155. Yeah, so way outside of its greed. Yeah. So see what you make of these stocks. Just be really careful of them. Just be really careful. I mean, you shouldn't have any business dealing with any of these stocks. They're not investment grade at all. So thank you very much for watching this video.